NRSN Therapeutics Limited announced results from Stage 3 of its biomarker study conducted in collaboration with Massachusetts General Hospital, MGH. The study identified novel ALS biomarkers that are indicative of prime C's mechanism of action, MOA, via an analysis comparing blood samples obtained from healthy people and from people living with ALS. TDP-43 accumulation and neuroinflammation via prostaglandin are amongst the disease-modifying targets characterized, along with mRNA dysregulation, iron accumulation, lysosomal dysfunction, and impaired autophagy. Following 12 months of administration with prime C, statistically significant changes in key ALS-related biomarkers are observed in study participants. Furthermore, the study established a correlation between the clinically meaningful outcomes detected and modulations in those biomarkers. The Stage 3 study analyzed blood samples from people living with ALS, treated with standard of care. Based on preliminary results, it seems that people living with ALS do not experience a statistically significant decline in disease-related biomarkers when prime C is administered alongside the standard of care. This suggests that the benefits of prime C may be slightly less in people with ALS, though the study is still in its early stages.